Hello my dear friend, I am Prabhas Parik and I welcome to on my channel for Prabhas. So without waste of time, let's go to the exact video. Okay. Okay. In the previous video, I told about deuterium and now in this video I will tell about isoelectric point. Isoelectric point is the pH at which a particular molecule carries no net electrical charge or is electrically neutral in the statistical mean. Okay. Next, I will come to effect of pH on the structure of alpha amino acid. Okay. The structure of alpha amino acid mainly depend upon pH containing medium of amino acid. The pH, okay, depend upon pH, which medium it is, and in acid medium the pH is less than 1. As it is acid medium, pH will be less than 1, and the dipolar ion get converted into cation. Okay. You can see also in the figure there is a weak base having positive and negative charge, and there is a strong acid which is H3O plus ion. Okay. The H are in the base and make it as conjugate acid, and H2O become as conjugate base. Okay. As the weak base by getting H plus ion, it will become as strong acid, and which is pH is less than 1. Okay. Next I will come to electrophoresis. Okay, it is defined as the technique which separate and purifying compound on the basis of different movement of charged particle in an electric field. As we discussed, it is electrophoresis. We have to take it in electric field. Okay, now I will discuss about physical property of amino acid. At first, all amino acids are crystalline solid as they have hydrogen bond, so they are crystalline solid and high melting point and boiling point. And in second, these are soluble in polar solvent like water and insoluble in non-polar solvent like benzene. As you know, polar solvent, what is polar solvent? There is a different of electronegativity in that compound. It's called polar solvent. Okay. Again, amino acid can form deuterium, so it is a polar compound. So polar like, for which these are soluble in polar solvent. Okay. Next, except glycine, all alpha amino acid existing equilibrium with cationic and anionic form, having free COOH group and NH2 group respectively. And you can see in the figure that all are maintained in equilibrium. Next I come to reaction part. Okay, at first this is a basic character which shows basic character, the reaction involved in it. I will discuss about it. Okay. Amino acid react with strong acid like HCl to form salt. This is the salt part, and the CO minus part. Okay, it gives the basic character of the amino acid as it acts as a proton acceptor. Next, okay, you can see in the figure that this is the basic part and this is acidic part, because in this part take H plus ion and this part will release H plus ion. Okay. Next I come to alkylation part. The amino acid will react with alkyl halide. With excess alkyl halide, an internal quaternary salt is formed, which having deuterium. Okay, the character is known as butane. Okay, you can see the amino acid part and it react with a alkyl halide part. Okay, this the H plus is come from where NH3 plus and remove as HI. Okay, the compound is like here CH3 is added. Okay, next with excess amount of alkyl was given, and again the compound is formed as like this, and at last with a deuter ion is formed. Okay, it is also called NN trimethyl glycerin. Okay, or deuter ion, but it is called butane. Okay, this process is known as what? Butane. Okay, next I will come to acylation. Okay, as it is acylation, so amino acid react with what? Acetyl chloride. Okay, with removal of HCl, the what result, or you can also do in your notebook that the result is formed in like this. Okay, next I come to nitrous acid or nitration. As it is nitration, we give HNO2, okay, to alpha to amino acid. Okay, you can see in the picture, amino acid react with HNO2 with a removal of HCl. The product is formed as like this, and M2 will remove as a gas, and water will form. Okay. Next, reaction with formaldehyde. N-methylene amino acid will result, because what? Amino acid, we have to react amino acid with what? Formaldehyde, for which N-methylene amino acid will result. Okay. Next, I will come to reaction with nitrosyl chloride. With nitrosyl chloride, amino acid form corresponding chloride. You can see also we have to react amino acid with NaCl. Okay, this corresponding chloride will form as you like in the figure. Okay, you can also note in your notebook. Next, reaction with 2,4-dinitrophlorobenzene or Sanger's reagent. Okay, it is occur in basic medium, and we have to react with alpha amino acid and 2,4-dinitrophlorobenzene. Okay, you can see also, and at last we get 2,4-dinitrophenol. At last we get HF, and what is this? 2,4-dinitrophenyl amino acid. Okay. Sanger's reagent is used to determination of an amino acid residue of a peptide or protein. Okay. Next, reaction with carboxyl group. At first, reaction with base. Okay, amino acid with a strong base like NaOH, KOH to form salt. You can also see in the figure that you have to, this is what? Glycine, and you have to react with a strong base like NaOH, and they give it a sodium amino acetate. In this relation, NH3 part is the proton donor, and hence it is called the acidic part. Next I come to esterification. Reaction with alcohol occurs on heating in presence of dry hydrogen chloride gas. At last, ester will result. Okay. This on treatment with aqueous sodium carbonic or moist silver oxide to form corresponding acid. You can see also in the figure that okay, it is a step of reaction. At first, what is this? Is amino acid, and react with ethanol, and corresponding acetate will form. But it occurs in two-step reaction. Okay. At first, this is in first step, NH3. Now, those amino acid react with HCl. Okay, to form corresponding chloride, and then react with ethanol with removal of water. The corresponding compound will form, and at last on treatment with silver hydroxide or AgOH with removal of water. Okay, the corresponding acid will form. Okay, next in step 2 reaction, the amino acid will form in this like. Okay, next we have to react with ethanol with removal of water. Okay, this corresponding chloride will result. Okay, this is also is called a ester. Okay, next I come to decarboxylation. Alpha amino acid on heating with barium oxide or soda lime. Alpha amino acid loses carbon dioxide and forms primary amine. Okay, you can see also in the figure that this is the amino acid part and this is barium oxide and it gain what CO2, and because amino acid loses carbon dioxide and it is gained by barium oxide with presence of heat. Okay, primary amine will result and at last BaCO3 will result. Okay, next I come to reduction part. On reduction with lithium aluminum hydroxide or LiAlH4, or it's called LAH, alpha amino alcohol will result. Okay, this is the amino acid part and we have to react with LiAlH4. It's the reducing agent. Alpha amino alcohol will result. Okay, next I come to formation of acid chloride. Alpha amino acid is first protected by acylation. Okay, next the product form is then treated with PCl5 or SOCl2. Okay, to form acid chloride. This is PCl5 and SOCl2. At last this is chloride. Chloride added this the things it form at acid chloride. At first we see in the reaction that this is the amino acid and react with what acetic anhydride with pyridine base and this compound will form, and next we have to react with SOCl2 that at last N-acetyl amino acid chloride will result. Okay, there is also an example will come, that is amino acid react with what methyl iodide that form the corresponding amino acid, and what at last the NN trimethyl glycine will form. You can also note in your notebook. Okay, next I come to reaction of both carboxyl and amino group. Before I teach you that with carboxyl reaction and amino group reaction, now we will react with combining that both carboxyl and amino group. Okay, first reaction of heat. Okay, alpha amino acid undergoes dehydration by interaction between two molecules in such a way that NH2 group of one molecule react with COH group of other. Okay, what is it that NH2 group of one molecule react with COH group of other? You have to remember it that this is that there are two amino acids. Okay, from that NH2 group of one molecule react with COH. This is NH2 and react with COH. Okay, I can show you in the figure that I have to give heat and removal of two water, that at last diketopiperazine will result. Okay, this is diketopiperazine. Next, beta amino acid on heating lost a molecule of amino acid, that this is the alpha position, this is beta position, so it is called a beta amino acid. On heating with it will give alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, this is alpha beta unsaturated acid, and at last NH3 or ammonia will form. So amino acid is clear. Now we will come to peptide. So whatever I will be show in the diagram, that you have to write in your notebook and you have to practice it. Okay, for which you can get remember it